Hey everyone, welcome to the first part of our Python programming tutorial. In this episode, we are going to dive straight into writing our first lines of code. When you hear programming, you might think of complex environments like CMD, but don't worry, we are not going to use that. We are going to make things easy for you. Instead of dealing with heavy software, we will use a fantastic online tool called Google Colab. So we close CMD and try to open Google Colab. First, you open your Google Chrome browser and search for Google Colab. Google Colab. Then then click on the first link that appears. If you are not logged in with your Gmail account, go ahead and log in. Once you are in, go and log in from here. Once you are in, click on the file and open a new notebook in Drive. Think of a notebook as a digital notepad for your code. Wait until it's open. Now it's time to write your first simple line of code in the notebook. Type this: print hello, my name is learning star. Don't care about the print or the syntax or the things you don't know about this code. Just write it. When you write it, this code tells Python to display the text inside the question marks on the screen. Click on the run cell. If everything is correct, you will see, hello, my name is learning star. Wait to run. Okay. Hello, my name is learning star appear on the screen. So now is your turn. To try it out, create a new notebook and replace learning star with your names. Then run the code and see what happens. If you like, you can send the code in the comments so I can check them and see if they are correct or not. In this episode, we introduced you to Google Colab and wrote our first simple line of code. In the following episodes, we will dive deeper into programming concepts, so make sure to subscribe to stay updated on our next tutorial. See you tomorrow.